What's going on, guys? Decelation. Brian?
What's up, peeps?
And we're back on the Factory 535 hot rod truck. And guess what we're doing today?
Not sanding.
You hear that, guys? We're not sanding. Oh, yeah. But that is like the smallest windshield wiper I've ever seen. But fits. We're installing the windshield wipers today. Well, the mounting brackets and everything. So yeah, should be fun.
Yeah. Not the worst thing we've done.
At least not yet. We'll find out soon. But yeah, so stay tuned and we're gonna get this working. Hopefully it works. Fingers crossed. Alright, welcome back, people. Brian, what are we doing?
Some fine precision measuring.
So, I'll show you guys what we're working on. So, we got the... Oh, where the hell did I put it? Oh, right here. So, we got the part measured out from our measurements. What I saw on the form was like 9 3/4 from this edge right here, and then 15 inches from there. And we were testing out the sweep and the swing. It looked really good, didn't it, Brian?
Yeah.
Looked pretty good. So when we then you saw us put the dash in, and that was to test how far we can move these back to see where we need to cut. And with the driver's side one, there's plenty of room to go back and forth. On the passenger side one, it was running right into the defroster, so we're definitely gonna have to cut these, and we're gonna cut them equal just because of the length with the tube that runs between the two pieces. You guys will see it. That tubing, it's easier to make it straight than try to curve or do some type of weird zigzag. So we're gonna make things simple on ourselves. So we're cutting these both the same length, and we measured it out where the windshield is gonna sit versus where the arm is going to sit, about 1.25 inches. That's our line right there, based off of the backing nut being at that position. And we counted the threads on both of them, and we made sure that they were same. So, and we marked a line to make sure that we keep the same thread depth on both of them to keep it as straight as possible. And then measure back 1 3/4. You have to take this apart because you have to cut this separately, because this has to have it looked like about 1/2 inch of poke, so this can slide on to it. have something to bite into, and this is what your arm's attached to. So that's kind of where we're at right now. We're gonna get back to work. Brian, you have your measurements done?
Yep.
It's time to start cutting.
Ready for you to cut.
Stay tuned, guys. All right, welcome back, guys. So as you can see, what you saw us working on was getting this to do that. You wanna look at that sweep though? That butter, like boom, boom. That's gonna be nice.
Not too bad for something that's not going to drive in the rain.
It may end up being in the rain.
I guess, yeah, if we... If things change.
Things may change. It may end up in the rain. But yeah, I'm happy. This looks really good. So now that we did the easy part of just figuring out the holes and mounting of this, we weren't even really supposed to mount this part yet, but I just wanted to visualize it. But now we get to work on that side and the drive for it. Yay. Probably figure out the wiring too for it. Not gonna do the wiring later, it's simple. But yeah. Fun stuff. Alright. Stay tuned, guys. What's going on, guys? So Brian and I just had a nice little deliberation, isn't that right?
Yes.
So where we're at in the build right now, we are not going to continue any further with the installation of these because the next steps are like grease the cable right and make the conduit.
Yeah, there's the word grease is in here like 25 times and it's always in bold. Grease everything, so.
Yeah. But with what we're doing now,
including this drive cable-y thing.
Yeah, so that's
get coated in grease. So it's probably not a good idea to grease all that.
When we have to pull the body apart again anyways. So
and sand.
So Anna, take a guess. I think I've kind of said this a couple times. Everything that's metal on this car will be painted black. So this has to get painted as well. So we're gonna cut this video.
Well, I couldn't leave off a video without sanding something, so.
Oh yeah. See, we lied. There is sanding in this video.
There is sanding in this video. There we go, good.
Alright, so
got that out of the way.
We got some sanding in the video. Had to sneak some in there. But thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate this. This was kind of like a very short, simple video install. But this is just what it's going to look like. The rest of the part, since we got to pull the body off again, it makes no sense to do the install just to pull it all apart when it's full of grease. I want to be able to put it together full of grease and pray I never have to touch it again. That's my plan. So we're gonna leave it at that. But thank you guys again. If you like this type of video, comment down below, let us know, hit that like button, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this and see cool builds that are coming near to completion, which I think we're doing pretty good still though, because most people take a little bit more than like 2 years to build something like this. We're under a year. Well, we're just over a year. Winning. All right, have a good one, guys. Peace.